most of all, baby. Yeah, I make moves, yeah. I make moves.
Why, Lord? Why me? Why me? Why? Just why? Why are these things that happen? I don't even know what to say. I just want to hurt myself. Anyways, what's up, guys? It's D-Tizzle. Sidepce. I just recorded a 45-minute long video and I didn't hit record, so I'm kind of upset. But it's like you study for a test. You walk in that hole. I'm sick. Ignore my voice. You walk in there. You think, oh yeah, I'm a. You get your pencil. Oh yeah. That A, C, B, B, C. You expecting 100%. You get that stuff back. You missed 40 of the 50 questions. And now you feel like hurting yourself. The video was how to make a Lil Skies type beat. I think I'll just put in the intro what I said, because I'm really not trying to do it again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Lil Skies type beat. He's a rapper from Pennsylvania. I don't remember what city. He got hit songs like Red Roses and Lust, I guess. It's only been out for like a week now, but it's blowing up. We have a lot of songs on his upcoming album. I think it's an album, project, whatever you want to call it. I have a song on there that I produced called Kill For You, me and Taz, along with many other songs on there that we produced. I think we produced four songs on the album. So make sure you guys go pre-order it and support the group. Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again, I guess. Make sure y'all like, please. I need this to get like 40,000 views for my troubles. Please show your friends. I know you on break. Y'all gotta be on break. All y'all that are in school. Show your sisters. Show your aunties that aren't over the age of 35. All right. Whew. I need to get in the zone. I'm gonna be using a sample out of my new sample pack, Corpse, and you can get it on Waste Supply right now. Nah, we already went through that. This is the one I used. That's such a beautiful sample, bro. Listen. That's beautiful. Alright, I think I'm just gonna hop straight into the drums. I don't think I'm gonna add any other. You know what? I'll make 2 beats since I'm only using drums and samples. I'll do this one and that Exile one. Add some hi-hattertons. Netta Perks. Cause I be flowing, hey. I don't even know what's next cause I'm doing it, hey, yeah. Ooh, hey, and I be getting the guap, hey. I'ma keep getting the top, hey. I'ma hop in my drop top, yeah, hey, ooh, hey, swerving a lot, hey. Ooh, I got borscht gas on the say, hey. Alright, next. I'm actually gonna speed this up. Another slide. Here, let me try. There we go. Alright, that's the 808. Same routine. Perky's next. I didn't even realize that that drying machine was going stupid. My bad. Actually, I might clap. Alright, I just changed up the hi-hats a little bit. I didn't want y'all to sit here and watch all that, but this is what it sounds like. That should go hard, cat. That go hard. Alright. I'm gonna add a little snare. Then I think this will be beautiful. Gosh darn it. Alright. Finish the kick. It's actually really loud. Turn the snare down. Alright, I'm done. I quit. It's 2:32 in the morning. I need to go to sleep before I go insane. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all caught that new quart sample pack on Way Supply by yours truly. Thank y'all for watching. And peace.